नमस्कार दोस्तों, this is Prakhar here reporting from St. Basil School. A very warm welcome and a very good morning to all the students and parents. Today, the major reason for this video is to communicate with you, to talk to you, to make you understand some of the topics that now, since we are doing online education, what we can do at home. Some of the very important topics that we were going to implement in this session, but due to lockdown, unfortunately, we are not able to meet our students. This is our way to communicate to you. Firstly, I'm going to talk about the one of the major aspect, एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण एस्पेक्ट जिसकी वजह से जब हम बात करते हैं किसी से, जब हम किसी से इंटरैक्ट करते हैं, तो वो हमें याद रख सकता है, वो हमारे बातों को सुन के समझ सके और बाद में ये कह सके कि हाँ वो था, वो प्रखर नाम का था वो लड़का, उसने कुछ बोला वीडियो में, he said something, it was meaningful, it meant something. If I am able to do that to you, then that is the only reason why I'm making this video, to bring the topic of communication. What is communication? Why is it important? And what are the necessary things that we can do to improve it? Firstly, we will go to the what is communication. So communication is the way we interact with each other. Interacting with each other with the purpose of making you or the other person understand what I am trying to say in the best possible way. इस तरीके से कम्युनिकेट करें, इस तरीके से बातचीत करें, वार्तालाप करें कि सामने वाला पर्सन वो समझ सके हमारी बात, वो अच्छे से एनालाइज कर सके और वो याद रख सके कि ये बंदे ने बोला था या बंदी ने कुछ बोला था, कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट बोला था, जो कि इम्प्रेशन, लॉन्ग लास्टिंग इम्प्रेशन कर सके. यू हैव सीन द लीडर्स ऑफ टुडे, बी इट आवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर, बी इट Michelle Obama, many, I can name so many celebrities that are successful, and you know why? Because solely they can communicate well, they can tell their story well, what they are thinking, they can tell it in very clear context, so that you, the listeners, the viewers, the other person is able to understand. So ये तो हुआ the why of education. Now coming to the main topic of how to improve our communication. Communication has two aspects, very clear aspects, or rather three I would say, but the three is a surprise for you. So major two I will cover right now. Firstly is the clarity of thoughts, and second is your pronunciation. किस तरीके से आप बोलते हो, जैसे कि आपकी वॉइस ऑडिबल हो परफेक्टली, आपकी बातों में वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन हो, सिर्फ एक टोन में नहीं बोला जा रहा है, इस तरीके से एक टोन में नहीं बोलना है आपको, कभी ऊपर कभी नीचे. दे शुड बी repercussions while you are speaking. And the first point was the main content. Content should be very clear. कंटेंट के लिए आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें करनी होंगी. जैसे पहला, रिसर्च, so you have the clarity of the points that you are going to speak. Second, breakdown of what are the points that you are going to cover. And the most importantly, third, is to engage and then re-engage your audience. These 3 points I will be covering soon. But let's jump to another stream, that is pronunciation and how to improve that. आपने बहुत सारी वीडियोस देखी होंगी, आपने बहुत सारे यूट्यूबर्स को देखा होगा, न्यूज़ चैनल देखा होगा. आपको क्या लगता है कि वो सब एक दिन में बन गए, या वो इनबॉर्न था कि उनको सराउंडिंग्स ऐसी मिली कि अरे वो तो परफेक्टली न्यूज़, ये तो न्यूज़ एंकर बनना चाहिए, ये तो एक्टर बनना चाहिए? नहीं, दे डेवलप्ड. एंड डेवलपमेंट एक दिन में नहीं होता है. रोम वॉज नॉट बिल्ड इन अ डे. धीरे धीरे छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स हम जब समझते हैं, अप्लाई करते हैं, उसमें कुछ अपना तरफ से फ्लेवर डालते हैं, देन इट बिकम्स आर टू कीप. दैट इज़ वॉट इज़ प्रोनाउंसिएशन. इट्स नथिंग, इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील. आप अपने आप को शीशे के सामने देखो और एक न्यूज़पेपर का सबर्ट मतलब कुछ पार्ट, एक पैराग्राफ न्यूज़पेपर के सामने पढ़ो, एक बार पढ़ो और सुनो। जिस एक बार पढ़ो, जिस दिन अगर अच्छा लगे तो आगे बढ़ो, नहीं अच्छा लगे तो फिर से पढ़ो। जितनी बार आप एक कोयले की खान में एक हीरे को तराशते हो, उतना चमकता है वो, उतना ब्रिलियंस आती है, उतना शाइन आता है। यू विल improve your craft, your skills only when you practice it. And this my friend is the takeaway from this video on how to do these things, what are the topics, what is re-engage and engage, how to improve your communication, we will be covering soon. But now I'm going to give a task to you all that I really want you to do. Like I said, take a paragraph, read it loud and clear in front of the mirror. Do it 5 times. 5 times करने के बाद you send me a video. We will be making a Telegram group जिसमें everyone will be the part of. So that once you have practiced your your paragraph, you can send your video, and I will be personally leading it, and I will be commenting you on it. You remember I told you the third part, that the secretive part that I'll tell you in the end of the video. That's called feedback. For improving your communication, you have to have clear thoughts, you have to have good pronunciation, and you should be ready to take feedbacks. Because if you are ready to, listen to people who correct you, like your teachers, like your parents, like I will try to do that, don't take it in a wrong way. I will make you someone that you yourself will feel proud, let alone your parents, your neighbors, and your family, and your teachers in your school alone. I'll make you feel so proud that you will be able to talk to people around you in such a way that you don't hesitate, and when you speak, everyone shuts their mouth. So this is the inspiration, and this is the courage that we will move forward with. I want you to do the task. Just read it 5 times in front of the mirror. Speak it until you like it. If you like it, send me the video and I will let you know where to improve and then the next steps. Let's join and come together and make this a big success. I will be leading this venture, and I hope you all follow and practice in the best way. Till that time, guys and girls, bye bye, see you, stay safe, eat healthy, and work hard. I'll see your video, I'll reply back. Bye bye.